Welcome to Demonstrative Pronouns in Arabic.
How do we point to people, things, or animals in Arabic? In this lesson, we will learn the demonstrative pronouns and how to say this is. All Arabic nouns carry grammatical gender, whether they refer to animate or inanimate objects. For this reason, pointing to people, things, or animals differ in Arabic according to the gender of the noun we are pointing to. This is the equivalent of هذا when we point to a noun that carries the masculine gender, and هذه when we point to a noun that carries the feminine gender. A pen in Arabic is قلم. This is a masculine word. So to say this is a pen, we say هذا قلم. A table in Arabic is طاولة. It ends with a. This is a feminine word. So to say this is a table in Arabic, we say هذه طاولة. A chair in Arabic is كرسي. It is masculine. We say هذا كرسي. A night in Arabic is ليلة, feminine word. So هذه ليلة. In this lesson, we learned that we use هذا to point to masculine words and هذه to point to feminine words.